Okay, I want to discuss these rules so that you can easily understand everything, all the instructions about the virtual classes. Next important point is that no student will be allowed to enter the classroom after 10 minutes of the start of the lecture. That means today you know that many of the students are very much late, but now from tomorrow onwards, I will not allow any of you after 10 minutes of the start of the lecture. If you are 10 minutes late, then you are not allowed to enter in the class. Okay? Students will not be allowed to turn on their audios during the lecture, and you are not allowed to turn on your audios. It means you are not allowed to talk to me directly, okay, during the lecture. At the end of the lecture, I will give you some time to ask me questions. The last 10 minutes of every lecture will be devoted to students for any questions, which I have already discussed that these last 10 minutes or 5 minutes or 7 minutes, whatever time will be left after the lecture, this will be given to you to ask me any questions. Students should always keep a notebook with them to note down important points and any questions they need to ask, which I have already told you many times during my lectures in the last session, that you should be having a notebook, a rough notebook with you, so that you will note down the important points during the lecture, as well as if you have got any question which we want to ask at the end of the lecture, you would note that in the notebook. Another rule is that no student will be allowed to exit the classroom before the end of the lecture. It means you are not allowed to leave the classroom uh, before the end of the lecture. Okay? Students must participate during the lecture via the chat option. Like you are writing something, you are asking something by using the chat box. Similar thing you can use for the asking the questions as well after the lecture. Students must behave nicely during the lecture and show best conduct. Best conduct and nice behavior means you should be there on time, you should be regular, you should be punctual, as well as you should concentrate more. Okay, if you are here or you are attending the class with full concentration, then you will understand more. Okay, so it will be for all your I need your positive response for from all of you. Okay, there are some more rules. Teachers reserve all rights to ask the students to share their audios or videos. It means if teachers are asking you for to share your audios or videos, then you have to do it. Okay? It means teachers are having the rights to tell you or to ask you to share your audios or videos whenever she needs. Teachers may also ask the students any question time to time. I have told you that at the end of the lecture, you are allowed to ask the questions, as well as teachers can also ask you any question anytime during the lecture. So you should be there with full concentration. You should be there, and you should concentrate for each and every point about the lecture. Now there is another rule. We should note it. It is very important. Strict actions will be taken against any student violating these rules. It means if you are not following these rules, then strict actions could be taken against you. Okay, and like some of the people were disturbing during the beginning of the lecture, so please don't do these kind of things. because your names come on the screen and then we will take strict actions. Now I want to discuss about some home assignments. You all know that whenever we are discussing some points during the lecture, we are giving you home assignments as well. These are homework assignments and you can do that on time. Okay? Ruhat, show me your face. Some of you are opening your cameras, but you are not showing your faces, please. Arisha, Ruhat, show me your face. Are you here? Or now I am discussing about the home assignments. Home assignments will be uploaded. Okay, Abdul Rahman, very nice of you. Home assignments will be uploaded on the Google Classroom after every lecture. You all know that we are giving you home assignments according to the schedule after the lecture. These assignments carry marks and grades. You all know that we are giving you marks and grades on these lectures. So you should complete those during the time limit which will be given to you, as well as you will have to submit them on time to get the marks as well as the grades. The date of submission of home assignments will also be uploaded on the Google Classroom. You all know that we are all giving you the date of submission for home assignments, and it will be also be shared with you on the Google Classroom. So you should go through Google Classroom each and every time after some time on daily basis, so that you will get all the instructions giving you there. Students are bound to complete all home assignments properly in their own handwriting. Remember this, you have to do the home assignments in your own handwriting, otherwise these will not be accepted. And to submit them on time for checking to acquire the marks. If you are not submitting them on time on the submission date, then you will not get any marks. Okay, remember these important points, that you have to do the assignments in your own handwriting as well as submit them on time. Now I want to discuss about YouTube links. You know that when we are uploading the videos, we are sharing the YouTube links of the lectures or the videos. The YouTube links of the virtual lectures will be shared on the Google Classroom. You all know that it will be very easy for you to view the lecture again, to get the knowledge again. If you missed any part of the lecture, then you can get it from there. In case of any student missing the lecture will be accessible in the Google Classroom to view. Actually, we are giving we are uploading the lectures on the Google Classrooms or the YouTube links, so that if any one of you misses any lecture because of any reason, then you can find it from the Google Classroom. I hope you will you have got all the knowledge about the general rules of the Google Classroom, as well as about some points about the English literature and the English language syllabus and the textbook. So if you want to ask any question, there is some time left for the class. You are allowed to ask right in the chat box, and then ask me any question if you want to ask me. Okay, but I am one more time informing you that if you are not joining me on time, then I will not allow you to enter the class. you want to ask me any questions? It will be easily available in the market, Fozia. Okay, just ask the syntax book, board book for 9th class. You can easily get it from the market. Okay. Bilal, there we can open only one option at one time. If you are, or if there is chat room open, then you can answer me in the chat box. Okay, easily, because many of you are writing something and asking me many questions here in the chat box. Zimal, you are telling me that books are not available in the market. So just wait for 1 or 2 days, then you can get it. Okay. Hassan, from any shop you can get the book. From any shop. Okay. Because these are synthetic textbook board books, so these are easily available in the market. Or if these are not available in the market now, just wait for 2 or 3 days. Okay, I hope you have understood everything. Now I'm leaving the class because time is over. Inshallah, we will meet tomorrow. Okay, Allah Hafiz.